What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square. That's perfect! Super cool! That was off the rails! It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Super awesome! Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Excellent! That's perfect! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy.